How has Will Smith maintained his personal brand across different entertainment industries? Will Smith is a great example of a successful personal brand evolution. From a rapper to a beloved actor and producer, Will Smith has adapted his brand while staying true to his core value of positivity and authenticity. His consistent public persona and strategic career choices have kept him relevant across different fields. But how can you implement this? Reflect on how you can adapt and grow your public brand while staying true to your core values. Utilize AI tools like Lumen 5 to create engaging video content that aligns with your evolving brand. Follow me for more branding stories and explore Crush It by Gary Vaynerchuk for strategies on adapting your brand.
Will Smith. The name resonates with millions across the globe. I'm an icon. I'm a legend. I'm the embodiment of successful personal branding.
From his early days as the Fresh Prince to his reign as a Hollywood A-lister, Smith's journey is a masterclass in leveraging a personal brand for multifaceted success. He didn't just transition from music to movies, he conquered both. He didn't just enter social media, he owned it. His career is a testament to the power of a strong personal brand. Will Smith's journey began in the vibrant streets of West Philadelphia. His early foray into music as the Fresh Prince, alongside DJ Jazzy Jeff, catapulted him to fame. The Fresh Prince persona, with its playful humor and down-to-earth charm, became the foundation of his personal brand. It was the key to unlocking doors in Hollywood. This was just the beginning of his reign in Hollywood. At the heart of Will Smith's personal brand lies a potent combination of authenticity and humor. These two elements have been the cornerstones of his success across music, movies, and social media. His ability to connect with audiences on a personal level, to make them laugh, to inspire them, stems from his genuine and relatable persona. He's never tried to be someone he's not. He's embraced his imperfections, his vulnerabilities, and his unique quirks. This authenticity has resonated with audiences worldwide, fostering a deep connection and loyalty. His humor, often self-deprecating and playful, further enhances his relatability. He doesn't take himself too seriously, and this allows his audience to feel comfortable and connected. This combination of authenticity and humor has allowed him to navigate the ever-changing landscape of the entertainment industry with grace and resilience. He's remained grounded, even as his star soared. He's shown the world that being true to yourself is the most powerful branding tool. It's a lesson we can all learn from. Authenticity is the key to building a lasting connection with your audience. Will Smith's career is a testament to the power of reinvention. He hasn't been afraid to take risks, to explore new genres, and to push the boundaries of his craft. From comedic roles to dramatic performances, from action blockbusters to thought-provoking indie films, he's consistently challenged himself and his audience. He's proven that versatility is not a detriment to a strong personal brand, it's an asset. He's shown us that we can evolve and adapt without losing our core identity. Through each transformation, he's maintained the essence of his brand authenticity and humor. This has allowed him to seamlessly transition between different roles and platforms, captivating new audiences while retaining his loyal fan base. He's a master of reinvention, constantly evolving while staying true to his core values. He's a living example of how to stay relevant in a constantly evolving industry. He's a role model for anyone seeking to expand their horizons and embrace new challenges. He demonstrates that growth and change are essential for long-term success. Section 5. The Social Media King. Will Smith's entry into social media wasn't just another celebrity dipping their toes into the digital world.
It was a full-fledged takeover. He embraced social media with the same energy and authenticity that defined his music and acting careers.
He understood the power of these platforms to connect with his audience on a deeper level.
He didn't just post promotional material, he shared snippets of his life, his thoughts, his humor, his vulnerabilities.
He made himself accessible, relatable, and human.
He turned social media into an extension of his personal brand, further solidifying his connection with his fans.
His social media presence is a masterclass in how to use these platforms to build a community, to engage with your audience, and to amplify your message.
He's not just a celebrity on social media, he's a friend, a mentor, a source of inspiration.
He's proven that social media can be a powerful tool for building a personal brand, connecting with your audience, and expanding your reach.
He's a true social media king. He understands the power of connection in the digital age.
Section 6. Practical tips for personal brand expansion. Will Smith's journey provides valuable lessons for anyone looking to expand their personal brand and explore new avenues.
First and foremost, identify your core values. What makes you unique? What are your strengths? What do you stand for? These core values will be the foundation of your brand.
Once you've identified your core values, be consistent. Let these values guide your actions, your decisions, and your interactions.
Consistency builds trust and reinforces your brand identity. Don't be afraid to experiment. Step outside your comfort zone. Explore new platforms, new skills, and new opportunities.
Embrace the power of storytelling. Share your journey, your experiences, and your insights. Connect with your audience on a personal level.
Make them feel seen and heard. Authenticity is key. Be true to yourself. Don't try to be someone you're not. People connect with genuine personalities.
Be consistent in your messaging and your online presence. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments and messages. Build a community around your brand.
Section 7. Tools of the Trade Premier Pro and Hootsuite. As you expand your personal brand, leverage the power of tools like Adobe Premiere Pro and Hootsuite.
Premiere Pro is a professional video editing software that allows you to create high-quality videos for your social media platforms, your website, or your online courses. It's a powerful tool for storytelling and content creation.
Hootsuite is a social media management platform that allows you to schedule posts, track your performance, and engage with your audience across multiple platforms. It simplifies your social media strategy and helps you maximize your reach.
These tools can empower you to create compelling content and manage your online presence effectively. They can help you streamline your workflow, enhance your creativity, and connect with your audience on a deeper level.
Investing in these tools is an investment in your personal brand. They are essential for anyone looking to build a strong online presence and expand their reach.
Mastering these tools can significantly enhance your personal branding efforts. Section 8. The 4-Hour Workweek Philosophy. Tim Ferriss's The 4-Hour Workweek offers valuable insights into managing multiple projects and maximizing your productivity. The book emphasizes the importance of prioritizing tasks, automating repetitive processes, and outsourcing non-essential activities. These principles can be invaluable as you expand your personal brand and explore new avenues. Applying the 80-20 rule, focusing on the 20% of activities that generate 80% of your results, can help you prioritize your efforts and maximize your impact. Automating tasks like social media scheduling and email marketing can free up your time to focus on more strategic activities. Outsourcing tasks like video editing or graphic design can allow you to leverage the expertise of others and streamline your workflow. The 4-Hour Workweek provides a framework for maximizing your efficiency and achieving more in less time. It's a valuable resource for anyone looking to manage multiple projects and achieve a more balanced lifestyle. The principles outlined in the book can be applied to any field, from entrepreneurship to personal brand building.
Section 9. The Power of Personal Branding. A recap. Will Smith's journey is a powerful testament to the impact of personal branding.
He leveraged his unique personality, his talents, and his values to build a brand that has resonated with millions across the globe.
He's shown us that authenticity, consistency, and reinvention are key to building a lasting legacy. He's demonstrated the power of embracing new platforms, connecting with your audience, and staying true to your core values.
His story is an inspiration to anyone seeking to build a strong personal brand and explore new avenues. Personal branding is not just about self-promotion. It's about building relationships, sharing your story, and making a positive impact.
It's about leveraging your unique strengths to create something meaningful and lasting. It's about connecting with your audience on a deeper level and building a community around your brand.
Personal branding is an essential tool for anyone looking to succeed in today's world. It's about showcasing your value, building your reputation, and creating a lasting impact.
Section 10, Your Journey to Multifaceted Success. Now it's your turn. Take inspiration from Will Smith's journey and embark on your own path to multifaceted success. Identify your core values, embrace your unique talents, and build a personal brand that resonates with your audience. Don't be afraid to experiment, to take risks, and to reinvent yourself. Leverage the power of social media, tools like Pro and Hootsuite, and the principles outlined in the 4-Hour Workweek to expand your reach and maximize your impact. The journey may be challenging, but the rewards are immeasurable. Building a strong personal brand can open doors to new opportunities, new connections, and new levels of success. Follow for more insights and practical tips on personal branding and career development. Start building your brand today. The world is waiting to hear your story. Your journey begins now. Embrace the challenge. Embrace the possibilities. Embrace the power of your personal brand.